deck 12, room 582, and I thought I would just do a quick video of what the room's like. So this is the bed area with closets around it. So the closets open up here for a lot of closet hanging space. And then there's also above the bed, there's just this build out around the whole bed. And it's a pretty nice layout. I like it better than having all of the cabinets right inside the door when you walk into the cabin. The bathroom, whoops, sister. The bathroom, it's a very nice shower. No shower curtains to deal with, and plenty of counter space and places to put anything you want under the sink. It's a nice floor, a nice shower. The shower door just opens right up. The water pressure was good. There's shelves. There's hair and body wash. It's the same thing. And then there's 3 shelves. And at night, there's a night light up there that stays on. There's a large mirror and a large TV across from the bed. Again, there's the bed. For charging your phone, there's one plug-in over there, not one on this side. This closet's a little bit different. Has drawers under it. And a bed a couch that opens up into a bed. And a vanity area. And a refrigerator is in here. There we go. And a few drawers up here. There's your hair dryer, and then 4 more drawers. A light. And then these curtains are really good at blocking out the light. And we've got our balcony. So we're in the Port of Seattle right now. It's a little wet. Here's what the overhang looks like. There's deck 14 up there, which is the main pool area. And there's 1 floor above us before that. And there's the Port of Seattle. So 2 chairs, each with a stool and a small table. And there we are looking back at the whole room.